assemble a 3/8 overflow nozzle. First step, you mount this on the vise using aluminum shims. You don't mark the part. You should tighten the vise button that we did. You have a Teflon washer. You're going to screw this part in. When you do this, make sure the threads are nice and smooth. If you feel any resistance, you got to stop and fix whatever the issue is. If you keep going, you're going to damage the thread and it's going to gel in. Nobody's going to get it out of there. It behaves almost like a weld. I'm going to put some food grade grease here. It's where the return assembly is going to slide. It's important that you do this so the nozzle opens and closes freely. You put the spring, then you put this washer, prevents the o-ring from popping up when you do this. And then you put the o-ring here. The o-ring material, if we don't get specified otherwise, we put Buna. Or you can put Buna, Viton, EPDM. There's a million materials available depending on your application. This would slide freely right now. Drop the tip. Same here with this o-ring. This o-ring doesn't slide, it just seals. In place. And you have this on our o-rings. We have this little hole. You can put a small Allen wrench or any type of small rigid material to tighten it so it doesn't come off in production. That's your main assembly. Afterwards, you only need the spacers. It's going to give you your fill level depending on the quantity. Then you put the washer to give it some rigidity to your sealing gasket. We make the sealing gaskets different sizes depending on your application. And if you need a mounting screw, you can just get it in there. This is a 3/8 24 thread. And that is your nozzle.